Welcome to Good News Kitchen and Events. In today's recipe, I'll be teaching you how to make coconut rice. This is one of the easiest and simplest recipe you'll ever find. So if this is what you are interested in, sit back, relax, and let's get right into it.
Here are our major ingredients. We're going to be making use of coconut, and one is just perfect. We're going to be making use of habanero red pepper and green pepper, and then green bell pepper. I decided to use a little bit of habanero red pepper because I didn't want the color to overshadow my coconut rice. Then I'll also go ahead to make use of ginger powder. You can make use of fresh ginger if you want. I'll also be making use of crayfish, which will be grounded into powder. You also need your red onions. You can use more if you want. I also need some thyme for this recipe. I'll also be making use of chicken stock powder. This will also enhance the taste. And then I'm making use of grounded pepper for extra spicy taste. You can skip this and decide to use only habanero pepper. You need seasoning cubes. I decided to use this quantity. If you like to use more, you can go ahead. I have my salt to taste, and then my vegetable oil. Go ahead and break the coconut. And when you break the coconut, you remove it from the shell. After removing it from the shell, I cut them into tiny pieces so that it would be easy for me to blend. I blended them with my food processor, but you can go ahead and use a grinder. It would give it a perfect blend and smoothness. After cutting into tiny pieces, add enough water that will be enough to cook your rice, because the coconut milk is actually the base of our cooking. You would also need to prepare your remaining ingredients. Grate your habanero red pepper and the green pepper and the green bell pepper. Dice your onions, grind your crayfish, and set them all aside. If you've watched this video to this point, please give it a thumbs up so that it can reach more people. Like the video, drop a comment in the comment section, share this video. If you are new to my channel, welcome. I love you so much, and you are in for amazing recipe. Click the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so that you always get updates when I drop new videos. So guys, our coconut is almost blended and ready to be used.
I'm done blending my coconut. I'll just go ahead and use a sieve to drain out the coconut milk. So here is my coconut milk, and this is perfect for the quantity of rice I want to cook. My rice is already on the fire because I've been parboiling it. So after parboiling it, I just went ahead to pour cold water to rinse it out, and then I set it aside to drain. Now in a pot, add in your vegetable oil. When it's hot, add in your onions and stir. Then go ahead and add your red pepper. Continue to stir so that it doesn't get burnt. Add your green bell pepper and the green habanero pepper and stir. Add in your thyme. chicken stock powder, seasoning cubes, grounded pepper. Don't forget to stir. Add in your salt. Now it is time to add in the coconut milk. I gave it a quick stir. Then I went ahead to add in my ginger powder. You can as well use the fresh ginger if you want. I allowed it to boil out, then I added my parboiled rice and I gave it a very good stir so that the coconut milk can be combined with it. Then I went ahead to sprinkle my grounded crayfish on it. This is how beautiful it looks. I covered it up and allowed it to cook for about 10 to 15 minutes. I went ahead to shred some coconut and I placed it on it. This is optional. If you don't want it, you can skip it. If you have watched this video to this point, thank you so much for tuning in. I want you to give this video a thumbs up, like it, and subscribe. Turn on the notification bell to get updates when I drop new videos. Which new recipe would you like to see on this channel? Tell me in the comments section. To my new subscribers, welcome to this channel where I share all things baking, tutorial, tips and hacks, lifestyle, cake tips, cooking, and more. And to my old subscribers, thank you for coming back. You can enjoy this coconut rice with any protein of your choice. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time. Bye.